Hi guys，咁都好多謝大家睇咗我之前嗰條片咧，喺 Hunting Secrets Number Two 啦，我都會重錄翻 Number One 擺翻上網俾大家睇嘅，因為之前就咁 po 上 LinkedIn，咁就冇再擺翻喺我哋嗰個YouTube channel 嗰度。都好多謝大家私底下俾我嘅 feedback 啦，俾我嘅一個即係一個 response 啦。都肯定咗，即係我哋呢邊 Ascension Associates 做嘅工作，同埋我哋 share 俾大家嘅 insights 係對大家都有 value 嘅，係即係都 purposeful 同埋 useful 嘅。咁嚟緊其實咧，我哋都因為都真係收到好多人都問我哋，OK，咁其實應該係要點樣去做啦，點樣去 pave the way 啦，點樣其實佢 how to land 嗰個 next senior role 咧？因為我哋之前條片咧淨係講咗嗰個 pitfall 啫，我哋就冇講到嗰個 how 嘅。咁嚟緊其實我哋由7月去到出年啦，我哋其實係會有一連串唔同嘅thinking workshop 啦，咁係專 target 俾 C-suite to C-2 嘅。咁唔單止淨係會講緊呢一個咁 personal 嘅 topic，即係 how to land your next senior role，但係其實真係會講俾大家多少少，即係 this is actually what you need to do。你平常嘅時間啦，constantly 應該點樣去做啦？咁有啲乜嘢嘢嘅tips 啦？咁其實 to be honest，你要去 land 你嘅 next senior role 咧，就冇呢個世界上就冇咩捷徑啊，冇呢啲咩 life hacks 嘅。即係我知道好多個人都會想希望我會去講呢一樣嘢嚇，即係講有冇啲咩嘅 life hacks 啊，有冇啲咩特別嘅嘢啊？咁但係我諗嚟得我哋呢邊啊，相信 associates 嘅就其實唔會係 look for 呢啲咁樣嘅嘢㗎啦，因為依家其實越嚟越多公司係真係要見到你見真章啦，嚇冇得好似你十幾廿年前咁樣，即係可能你即係講得難聽啲，be a brown nose 你都可以坐到上去。咁我諗依家都咁講一個 transparency，咁講 authenticity 嘅年代，其實呢一種咁樣嘅上位模式都買少見少，或者就算我俾你坐上去，你都坐唔耐噶啦。咁我哋呢一邊寧願真係實實幹幹咁實實在在同你講，即係 you know what you need to do consistently 去 make 到嗰個 progress。咁由於嗰個時間係需要翻一定嘅時間啦，咁喺我哋呢邊，我哋亦都唔想係即係求其咁講兩句咁就算數啦。因為我哋之前啲 video 你見到即係可能 maximum 8分鐘、7分鐘咁樣樣，我哋唔會講太耐咁樣。咁但係即係講到個 how 咧，咁大家就要嚟我哋嘅嗰個workshop 嗰度。咁我哋每個 workshop 都係講緊係個半鐘啦。咁我係會係分開唔同嘅。即係嗰個步驟啦，嗰個 steps 啦，嗰個唔同嘅一個你叫做 chapter 又好點樣好啦，就同大家去講下究竟應該係要點樣去做。咁 other than that 咧，我哋仲有其他唔同 topics，其實係 all interrelated 嘅，咁唔淨係講緊one thing 咁樣咁簡單嘅。亦都係有見及此啦，咁都去同大家講埋，其實我哋嚟緊公司嘅一個big 嘅 announcement 啦，which is 我哋遲啲我哋都會再出片嘅啫。其實我哋係會 launch 咗我哋自己 subscription only 嘅platform 啦，咁嗰度大家會見到我哋 subscription only 嘅 inside articles 啦、videos 啦，咁亦都係大家會見到即係點樣去 register 我哋嘅 workshops 啦。咁依家我哋嘅workshops 咧，如果係講緊即係 for 大家點樣去 land 你嘅 senior role 咧，嗰啲我哋係講緊係大概 C-2 或者你maximum 可能講緊你係即係你會係 department head one level down 咁嗰啲啦。咁另外呢個 topic 咧，我哋係會專係 target 俾 C-suite 或者 C-1嗰啲咁會多少少。咁所以我哋成個platform 咧，我哋嘅 target audience 咧就係呢一班人嘅。咁industry 就冇論嘅，我哋冇話特別地即係你呢個 industry 你唔嚟得咁樣。咁但係因為大家都 know me for who I am，you know I've been working with a lot of insurance companies for a long time。咁同埋其他嘅一啲大 corp 啦咁樣樣。咁所以其實我哋嘅探討嘅 topics 或者我哋嘅一啲嘅insights 咧，就係其實係都會 applicable to a few industries 嘅嚇。咁 particularly 係 financial services 同埋consultancies 啦。我哋亦都嚟緊，亦都會同大家 update 一下我哋其實 Ascension Associates 嗰時候亦都4 years young 啦，咁我哋有啲咩嘅成績啦，我哋做咗啲咩嘅 projects 啦，係大家估你唔到啦，我哋當初出嚟自己開公司嘅時候，我自己都估唔到啦，咁樣咁亦都開始係會係集合我哋好多呢啲嘅 insights 去同大家做分享，咁喺翻我哋呢個 subscription only platform 嗰度嘅，咁所以嚟緊大家可以 stay tuned to 我哋嘅 YouTube channel， 因為我哋會 keep 住 update 大家我哋有啲咩嘅upcoming 嘅 workshop coming 嘅 insights， 咁大家 stay tuned to 我哋嘅 big launch 啦，咁亦都係事不宜遲，我都去翻之前大家講翻係 Hunting Secrets No.1， 咁然之後大家就可以喺嚟緊我哋嘅一連串 workshop 開始，大家去探討一下嗰個呢個對於某一部分人嚟講都幾想知道嘅嘢，就係 how to land your next senior role 呢一樣嘢嘅，咁我就會再喺睇 workshop 同大家再分享下，咁 see you guys soon。